Lake Somerville is an Army Corps of Engineers reservoir on Yagua Creek in the Brazos River Basin, 10 miles northwest of Brenham, Texas. The lake is over 17 square miles of water, great for fishing, boating, and swimming. The Lake Somerville State Park is split into two sections, Birch Creek and Nails Creek.
All right, we got ourselves a spot right by the bathrooms. We've got a hook. We've got the extra long table, which I believe we've discovered is an ADA table. We've got an on-the-ground grill and fire pit. We've got electric and water. And we were worried we wouldn't be able to fit our tent, but then we saw this little cove right here cut out, and it's perfect. The tent's gonna sit there just right. Let's take a look here. We got some water. And we got 30 and 20.
Can I unbuckle?
Yes, you may unbuckle. Kaylin, you all wet? Soap dispenser, which is probably new, as well as a newer paper towel dispenser. They got no partitions on these urinals. That's kind of weird. You got a bench. You got a wall from the door here. There's a bench. And we have two, wow, those are narrow. You got a bench in there. That is really tight. We got some screws up here for holding your clothes. But look at this bonus. It's a small shower stall, but it has a very nice shower head. Hot and cold. I am not kidding, this is tight. There is no wheelchair accessible shower here. So you got the shower curtain right there. Now over the toilets there is climate control. All locked up and looks like it's broken. There's no vent fan in here. It is very, very muggy. bunch of RV hookups. So you could actually have like a group of RVers hang out here.
And campers.
A lot of double picnic tables. And it looks like there's water access on the back. Water. Oh, look at that fire pit. Everybody can come set their chairs around this great big fire pit. It looks like the thing melted. What on earth did they do? Somebody get a fire so hot that it melted the metal? That's hilarious. What are they putting in here? Rocket fuel? Hungry? You're never hungry.
This is the Equestrian camping area. It's nice, big, and spacious. They do not have power over here, but they do have water. They've also got the fenced-in areas where you can put your horses in there, as well as the posts that you can tie your horses to. We saw a few troughs in there as well for watering the horses. This is nice because then it leads up to, I think it's 14 miles of trails right here at the end that are designed for horseback riding. It's really a nice feature about this park.
This is where we're at. In fact, I think we're staying about right there. Right now we're up here with the equestrian area. Look at all this trail where they got for horseback riding. Pretty awesome, if you ask me. No restroom facilities on the trail and no water on the trail, so you got to make sure you pack in what you need.
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Okay, there's two more things. the white rope that's behind you. And then on the ground over by the chairs, there's a little white baggie that goes with this.
Is this it?
That is correct. Those are the stakes we were supposed to use to stake it down.
But we never used them. So they were there for
Now we can zip it up. You want to zip it? What happens is you gotta. There you go. All done. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna go check my dad.
Put the hook in the white string. I already pulled up the other two. So, take those and put them in